All right, first you want to remove the 2 screws in the back and the 2 in the front. I've already done that. And you can open the lid. So to remove the horn, it's going to be the same method as the light. First step to removing the horn, you want to disconnect it from the board. So find the wire and carefully remove it. And then take some pliers and unscrew . And then the horn slides out the top, and then you will replace it with a new one. And screw this back in. Make sure that is tight, and then connect it back to the board. And the light switch is replaced the same way. So you'll disconnect it, use the tweezers, unscrew it,